Hey, what's up everybody? In this video I want to show you my TV soundbar setup that is pretty much completely, 95% wireless. Not literally, but you don't see any cords coming down. We are plugged into power, fully operational, but no cords dropping down or visible. They're all tucked away nicely and going to a specific place. So if you're looking for a nice seamless cordless look, here is my setup. What I did was I took this existing wall outlet, and by the way, I recommend having an electrician do this, licensed electrician, but I moved the outlet to the opposite side of the wall. So all my TV cords and soundbar power cords actually go through the wall and drop down and plug into an outlet that's inside this little kitchen cabinet that I found at a local restore. I basically severed it to be the certain width that I wanted to, and then hung it on the wall to conceal all of my cords coming through. So we'll open it up. You can see the installed outlet there. There was not an outlet there prior, and all the cords coming out from the joint from the wall there on the other side, all coming out this hole here and going to their respective locations in this surge protector. Uh, Looks kind of disorganized there, but it's a really slim fit. Everything fits within, what is that, maybe 3 inches or so. Uh, and I hung it on the wall and then used some caulking to kind of to cover the seams up there, and then painted so that we have a nice concealed, I think maybe not professional, maybe a little do-it-yourself, right? But it's not protruding. It doesn't hit your head coming down the stairs, and I'm pretty happy with it. So if you're interested, I have some links below. Check those out, and thanks for watching.